my name is Hasni, and today we're going to watch a video of a rose-ringed parakeet, also called as ring-necked parakeet, eating fruit. This is a cute little green parakeet eating a fruit. Isn't it cute? I like it too. This type of parakeet lives in the family of Psittacula, or Psittacula family as we say. In the wild, rose-ringed parakeets usually feed on buds, fruits, vegetables, nuts, berries, and seeds. In captivity, rose-ringed parakeets will take a large variety of food and can be fed on a number of fruits, vegetable pellets, seeds, and even small amounts of cooked meat for protein. Isn't that cool? African rose-ringed parakeets live in Western Africa and Guinea, Senegal, and southern Mauritania, east to western Uganda and southern Sudan, north to Egypt, resident along the Nile Valley, and certainly Giza. It is sometimes also seen on the north coast and in Sinia. Rose-ringed parakeets are native to India, and in this country their predators range to owls, crows, snakes, and a lot of other creatures. The rose-ringed parakeet is considered one of the best talking parakeets and can learn a vocabulary of up to 250 words. They are generally family birds and are less likely to bond to only one person as some other parrot species might. Most people take this type of parakeet as a pet. The rose-ringed parakeet got its name by the ring on its neck. Both female and male rose-ringed parakeets have a distinctive green color in the wild, and captive-bred ringnecks have multiple color mutations, including blue, violet, and yellow. Rose-ringed parakeets measure on an average 40 centimeters, 16 inches in length, including the tail feathers, a large portion of their total length. The rose-ringed parakeet lifespan is nearly 25 to 30 years. There is a record of one rose-ringed parakeet living up to 50 years. The South American native needs plenty of good food, exercise, and mental stimulation to ensure a long and healthy life. Guys, I really hope you learned a lot, and please do like and subscribe my video, and watch all the other videos I put. Bye!